how cute. I like that
And I
one.
mean, you can't believe what I got for the money, really.
These are cute too.
I got some stuff for Peyton as well. I sent a parcel. But I mean, everything was on sale like $4, $5.
Thank you.
I mean, this says 13 and it was like $4.
What's that,
I
Rylan?
think I almost bought this one at Carter's.
Is it Carter's?
24 months though.
Yeah. My duck.
Okay, for sure.
My duck. My duck. Thank you.
Are you still recording? Can you stop? I hate being recorded.
Oh, another
You
duck.
can record him, but I don't want to be a part of it.
Dennis duck.
You're not in
Thank you. He has to go get a
It's not
hot
being
dog.
in it, it's my voice. I can't stand the sound of my voice.
Oh,
Oh, heavy one.
Big one. Whoa, thank you. Quack, 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 quack. So always got to get my ducks out there. Brum, brum. Ooh. Thank you. Thank you. And the other one? Oh, brum, brum. Yes. And another one? Another one. Thank you. Thank you. I got them all. Whoops. Whoops. Oh, thank you. I get them all there. Watch, I'm going to get everything here. Another one? Another duck? Thank you. Ocho. Another one? Thank you. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. You like that one? You like the duck? Oh, I don't think you're right on there. It's a bit big.
Ooh.